trying to drive fast, trying to drive fast. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. You ain't going nowhere, bro. You ain't going nowhere. It's traffic, son. You ain't going nowhere. Look at this fool. We're trying to catch up. You mad, dog? You mad? You mad? You can't fucking keep up. Look at these fools right here. Look at these fools. Look at these fools. This is how I see things. Look. Oh, watch out, bro. Watch out. Time to get this rat off my tail. G35 fucked up, homie. Check back. You got an electric F-150. I don't know what the hell that is. Come on, Beamer. What's up? There he goes, me. Hauling ass. He's trying to catch up. Po next to us. I don't give a shit. See that? Got Po next to us. They don't give a shit. Look at this fool. We're trying to catch up. You mad, dog? You mad? You mad? You can't fucking keep up. It's a 45. I'm not gonna be reckless and break laws like that. I bet you I'll still catch up to him. We did all that shit. You still catch up to him. Bro, wake up, dog. Drive, homie. If on his phone, worse than me, and I'm fucking recording right here. Let's go. fools. Cargo van coming up quick, like he ain't got no brakes. The top I do that. As soon as they get right here, fucking hit the brakes hard as fuck. There you come, there you come. Check out this brake check. Fucking hit the brakes hard as fuck. Hey, trying to drive fast, trying to drive fast. Look at him, look at him, look at it. You ain't going nowhere, bro. You ain't going nowhere. It's traffic, son. You ain't going nowhere. Motherfuckers dumb, fucking stupid drivers, I swear to God. Yeah, full look like Pee Wee Herman, dog. Pee Wee Herman looking ass. You see what he does. See what he does. Can't go nowhere. I said traffic, dog. Traffic's always gonna get the best of you. Just like that Infiniti. Look, you tailgating the shit out of this fool for no reason. All that just to get stuck on a yellow. Saw that? Oh, he took that shit. He said, fuck that. I'm taking that, son. Okay. He's gonna do the little switcheroo everybody likes to do. Well, I thought he was going to. Where people go over there and then last minute they fucking cut over like assholes. It's alright because I always get the best of them. Cause this shit ends right here, so none of these fools fucking ever. You probably take this shit all the time. People just don't know any better. If anything, I'm gonna try to get in front of this 4Runner. Cause I don't like tailgaters. Yeah, dig. Give him the slip. Oh, the Sienna got it. Oh, he got the cut.